Today we are going to discuss furthermore some of the different things about the magnet. As in previous video we saw how our beautiful magnets were being discovered. So today we will see different types of magnets. Now when it comes to the types of magnets, there are n number of things which could be seen. You can just divide them on the basis of few things. First thing is on the basis of their origin. It means how are they being made? Are they being made by us or were they naturally present somewhere? So on the basis of this, that how were they being originated? On the basis of origin, the first division is on the basis of origin. So here on the basis of origin, we have two types of magnets. One is the natural magnet and the other one is the artificial magnet. It is quite clear with its name only that if you have a natural magnet, it means it is occurring naturally. So these natural magnets are something which we have discussed in the previous video also while we were discussing the discovery of the magnets. These natural magnets are being found in nature by itself and they are having their magnetic properties which do not lose over with time. It means they are something which you can call as permanent magnets. They are not going to lose their magnetism. Basically, the magnets which are found in nature and which have permanency in their magnetic properties are called natural magnets. Some of the example of this natural magnet could be your magnetite or lodestone. Then we come to the second category, that is B part, that is artificial magnet. When we say artificial, obviously it comes to our view that is something which is being made by us. We have artificially utilized these of the natural magnets to make our own magnet. Don't worry, we are going to make our own magnet too. Just wait. I think in third video, we will cover up that part also, that how to make your own magnet. We can use these permanent magnets to make few of artificial magnets. So if it comes to like the examples of these artificial magnets, then you must have seen various types of magnets in your houses, like the bar magnets or the horseshoe magnet, which looks like a horse's shoe. So a horseshoe magnet could be there. Then you have some magnets on your refrigerators. So we have these fridge magnets. We have circular disc magnets and the list is very long. Basically the shapes which we are providing here to these magnets, they all are artificial magnets. If you will see a bar magnet, it looks something like a bar, a rectangular bar with north and south, NNS little like this. Then we have a horseshoe magnet, something like this. We have our fridge magnets. They could be in any shape. It depends that what is being stuck over it. Basically, they are being in like a star shape or something like this, which we can stuck over our refrigerators. Then disc magnets would look like a disc, something like this. So basically, these all are your artificial magnets which we have made by using these natural magnets. So this was the division on the basis of the origin. Now if we come to the second part, on the basis of their magnetic properties, that what all type of properties do they have? So on the basis of their properties, we can again divide the magnets into few other types. Let's just rub this off first. So here on the basis of the properties, the first type is your permanent magnet. It means those magnets which are not going to lose their magnetism even if they are being kept for very long. चाहे कितने भी time तक उन magnets को हम रखें, but they will never lose their magnetism. They will remain same as they are. So we have these permanent magnets which are never going to lose their magnetic properties, let alone whatever happens to them. Okay, and all the permanent magnets. So all the examples like the pyrohotite or the magnetite, lodestone, they all will come in this category. I will write down few of them. Pyrrhotite, then you have your lodestone again. It is going to come in this category. Next we have our temporary magnets. As their name is saying, they will have their magnetic properties for few days, maybe few years, but eventually they will lose it. It means that they are not going to remain magnetic forever. आज मैग्नेटिक है, हो सकता है कल परसों किसी वजह से वो मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टीज लूज कर दे और अट्रैक्ट करना बंद कर दे चीजों को. All the things which are made up of iron or which are magnetic in nature. So these are your temporary magnets. There is no as such example for like your temporary magnets. It's just that they are being made by using permanent or natural magnets, and all of the man-made magnets could come into this. There is a third type too, which is an electromagnet. You are going to study about the electromagnet in detail in class 7th too. But still, if you wish to study about this at present only, you can watch our video, that is electric current and its effects. That videos, 5-6 videos are there for class 7. You can go and refer to that. There electromagnets are being also discussed very nicely. So these electromagnets just remain magnetic till electricity is there. Here electro means the electric current. So till the electric current is flowing through that magnet, then these remain as magnetic, and as soon as you will switch off, they will again become normal stone or whatever you can call it. Okay. So basically this is the division of the magnets that we have discussed today. That on the basis of the origin we had natural and the artificial ones, and then on the basis of their properties, permanent, temporary and electromagnets. In the next video, we are going to discuss about the various properties of a magnet and the poles of a magnet. So stay tuned till then and don't forget to subscribe.